So, it's like the end of the day, but I'm gonna talk to you like it's the beginning of the day. So, hey KT fam, I'm back with another video. I'm back with another trucking video, and basically, yeah. I think today I'm gonna show you. Let me stop acting like I didn't vlog already. So basically, yeah, you're about to see some funny things on this vlog, and I tried to record me. Okay, so here's the GoPro. I stuck it back here. You see it? So I stuck the GoPro back there, and it's off now. But I had it recording while I was driving, so it could. I don't know. I'm gonna try to get me shifting and get my foot, so you guys can see me floating gears or whatever. I don't know what kind of footage I got, but I stuck it there and I recorded, so hopefully it's good. Yeah, and then besides that, I left at like 2 o'clock this morning, but it was a whole mess. Like with this, I can't say it on YouTube, but with this thing going on in the world, oh my god, I swear it's like the world is ending. Like, I just don't understand certain things that are happening. Like the other day I went to Publix and all the lights were out in the parking lot. It's like, it just feels like the world is ending. And this morning I go to work and I'm trying to use my GPS to, my phone to get the address for the place, and my internet wasn't working. So I'm like, bruh. And the other day the internet wasn't working at our apartment, at Ellie's dad's house, and at our friend's house the same day, like literally. I'm like, I don't understand. It literally feels like the world is ending. It's ridiculous. So I had a long day today. Just things going wrong. But I'm glad it's over, and I don't work tomorrow. I mean, I don't drive tomorrow. Well, I don't work tomorrow. Monday, Wednesday, Friday. So when it's the short days, Tuesday and Thursday, then I'd be in the warehouse. But I'm only working Monday, Wednesday, Friday for this week. So yeah. And that's it. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoy the vlog and give it a thumbs up, comment down below, and make sure you subscribe for more videos. I'm so tired. I'm gonna go home and go to sleep. So yeah, bye. Okay, thank you. Oh my gosh. You guys, I can't even hide that from you. Oh my gosh. I literally got the valley jack stuck. I meant to show you guys when I pulled in, but this is where we fuel at. We have, we have Penske trucks, so we fuel at Penske. So that's where I'm at right now. Yeah, it's been a long day.